Hey everyone, welcome. So today's a quick one. So I found these a few days back, had to grab a few, obviously. I love Mega Man. Wanted to keep the can, don't really need a can. So I was thinking buttons. So today we're going to be making some buttons. But first I gotta break this open. Stabbed it with the X-Acto knife, now let's grab our scissors, cut this open. And these suck, let's grab some better ones. Not much better. And after like 5 minutes, we finally got it off. Yay! Now let's cut off the bottom. A lot easier this time. And here we are. So shiny. Anyways, I already know what I want to cut out. I want to cut out this little Mega Man head. So we're going to grab our whatever it's called. I have no idea. And we're going to cut this out. One more should do it. Hey, look at that. Perfect. Alright, let's go ahead and grab some more. So I want to do the blaster and the face obviously, but I don't know, they might be too close. For sure the face. Ooh, that one looks good. Alright, let's move on. Now that we got all the designs cut out and all the little knickknacks we're gonna need, let's start. So first we're gonna grab this little base and then their design. And sorry, I don't know any of the terminology for this. Bear with me, I don't normally make buttons. Anyways, let's jump back in. We're gonna get this little ring, put it right there, flip this over, and press it one more time. And that's it. If I did it correctly, it should be done. That looks amazing. Never been this excited for a button. So now that I know it worked, let's do the rest. Alright, buttons are ready. Now we just gotta add this little clip on the back. This is what's gonna hold it in place when you pin it on something, obviously. And done! Alright, so in total I made 6 buttons. Don't really care for these two. And the blaster doesn't really work either. So, 3 buttons that actually work, or actually gonna use. And here they are. Not bad. Should've just got my 10 cents back. Whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below what you want to see next, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.